Welcome to the debug function tutorial for HideShip. Debugging is a process that involves generating fake errors in the function, not in the rule, that isn't working properly. By sharing these errors with the programmer, we allow them to identify the issue. Let's begin step by step. Firstly, let's navigate to the rule where we need to activate debugging. This is the rule that needs to be fixed. Next, let's activate the debug switch and save. Then, let's head to our checkout page on our website. Here, we'll refresh the page at least 4 or 5 times. This allows us to generate different errors. Each refresh equals an error. Alright, now that we've completed that step, let's return to our rule. Click on the eye icon next to Debug and select Share Logs. This action will redirect you to your settings page. In the list of rules, locate the one with a yellow Customization Failed sign on the right. Open it, and then click on Share Error Report with the developer. In the new window, click Share, and you're done. Once shared, you'll see the message Successful Shared at the bottom of the page. Congratulations, you have successfully shared the log with the developer, who will now be able to solve your problem. Enjoy using HideShip.